How to delete Facebook pixel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you need to go ahead and check out your Facebook business setting. Now in here, you can head over to your ad account. After you are in your Facebook business setting or your Meta Business app, you can go ahead and check out your business manager. Click on the Business Settings button. Within here, you will see your data sources. You have to click on it. Then, you'll find List of Options. You need to select on the Pixel option. After that, you will have a list of pixels that is currently in your ad account. Choose the pixel you want to remove from your account. After that, you need to click on Connected Assets. Right at the bottom, you will see a trash icon, which is at the next of the ad account name. Tap on the trash icon to delete or remove the Facebook pixel. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.